Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, India's exclusive coaching for ISS examination. Since you all know that we have been doing Statistics Paper 1 and in that we have been covering the topic Numerical Analysis. In the previous lecture, we did dividend differences and one or two questions on that. In today's lecture, we'll start with the new topic which is Lagrange's formula for interpolation. Like we have uh, Lagrange's formula for interpolation. Okay, so Lagrange's formula for interpolation, suppose we have been given a data like this, in which we have been given x and y can also be written as fx. So x and y values of a, b, c and so on till l, and the values are given as fa, fb, fc and so on till fl. And we have to find something in between something x which might lie in between a to l, which might lie outside of a to l. That x might be a function, x is a point in this variable function only, but it might lie in between them, it might lie outside of this range. Then we can find it by using Lagrange's interpolation formula like this. Now suppose we have been given the values of x as a, b, c up till l, and we have been given the values of fx of for a, fx at point a as fa, at point b as fb, at point c as fc, and at point l as fl. This has been given. So Lagrange's formula, Lagrange's interpolation formula at point x means the value of x, the value of y at point x is given as fx equals to, first of all we'll take it as fa into x minus b, x minus c. First function, the first function is this fa, we'll multiply this with x minus b, the rest of the functions, subtraction of the rest of the functions with the first function from x. So fa into x minus b, x minus c up till x minus l, and in the denominator we'll subtract the same terms from a minus b, a minus c, a minus l. For the second term we'll take it as the second function which is fb, and we'll subtract rest other functions than b from x minus a, x minus c, not taking b because function has already been put here, so b will skip b until x minus l, and upon b minus a, b minus c up till b minus l, and so on till the last factor, which is we have to taken l, and the second last factor as, let us take it as k. So this would be fl, the last function of the of x term, which is l, and subtracting rest other from it, x minus a, x minus b up till the second last term x minus l, upon subtracting the same factors just for from l, not from x in the denominator, l minus a, l minus b and l minus k. So this function or this formula is known as Lagrange's formula for interpolation. It seems to be big, but it is not. When you know the concept how to solve the question using this formula, then you'll know how quickly you can solve them in the examination. Let us take one or two examples. Suppose we have been given a value x and y. A table has been given and we have to find the value of y at x equals to 10. So x and y we have been given 5, 6, 9, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 16 are respectively the values of y for x's. Now x equals to 10 lies between 9 and 11. So that we have to find, I've told you, we can find it inside the range or outside the range as well. So Lagrange's interpolation formula, because there have been four terms a, b, c and d. So Lagrange's interpolation formula will be function of a into x minus b, c and d upon a minus b, c and d. Function of b, x minus a, c and d upon b minus a, c and d. Function of c, x minus a, b and d upon c minus a, b and d. Function of d, x minus a, b and c upon d minus a, b and c. This is the function for your Lagrange's interpolation formula for 4 points a, b, c and d. Now just putting the terms here. Function of a, y at point a is 12. So we have put 12 here. Then x minus b. X has been given as 10. So 10 minus b. 10 minus 6 will be 4. We have taken at 4. Then x minus c. 10 minus 9 will be 1. We have taken 1 here. And x minus d, 10 minus 11 will be minus 1. Upon, here a is 5. 5 minus 6 will be minus 1, 5 minus 9 will be minus 4, and 5 minus 11 will be minus 6. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 6. Okay. Similarly, we'll do for this FB, FC and FT. FB is 13 and x minus A. 10 minus 5 will be 5. X minus C will be 10 minus 9, 1. And 10 minus 11 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Then the denominator is b minus a, b minus c, b minus d. B is 6. 6 minus a is 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. 6 minus 11 is minus 5. 1 minus 3 minus 5. And similarly for FC and FD. And on solving that, all of this, we'll get our final answer y is equals to 14.7 for x equals to 10. This is our final answer. You can recheck the answer. In the examination, they won't give such a difficult calculation or in points. They can just ask you what is the value of this in points. Suppose the answer is coming as 2 minus 4 plus 11 plus 5 and answer is coming as 14. So your options will be A 15, B 12, C 13 and D 14 and you will mark 14 as your answer. And the answer will not be in points. If it is in points, then you will mark 15 as your answer for this question. Okay? Because rounding off 14.67, we'll be getting 15. Now moving forward to the second kind of questions they ask in the examination. We have to find U3, means the value of y at x equals to 3 is given as U3. This. So we have to find y at x equals to 3. When y at x equal to 0 is 580, y at x equals to 1 is 556, y at x equals to 2 is 520 and y at x equals to 4 is 385. Similarly, we'll write the question f of u naught. F of u naught is nothing but y or y naught. We can also write it as y naught. And y3 at x equals to 3 also we can write it as. So f u naught x minus u1, x minus u2, x minus u4 upon u naught minus u1, u naught minus u2 and u naught minus u4. Since here also we have been given 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts, we will be doing 4 functions, sum of 4 functions and just replacing the terms. Let us take the first term which is f u naught, which is u naught. At u naught the value of the function is 580. So it is 580. X minus u1, x is 3. So x minus u1 is 1 only. u1 is equals to means we are taking at here as x. The value of x is x1. x1 is 0. 1. So it will be 3 minus 1 will be 2. 3 minus 2 will be 1. And 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. Upon 0 minus 1 0 minus 2, 0 minus 4, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 4, which is in the denominator, as you can see. Let's see the last one. Instead of second and third, you can do it on your own. Just focus on the last one, f u4. At u4, at 4, x equals to 4, the value of u will be 385. So it is 385 here. Then it is x minus u naught. Now x here is 3. Everywhere x is 3. 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. Upon u4 minus u naught, u4 minus u1, u4 minus u2. So 4 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 0, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 2 is 2. And hence we get this after calculating, we get 465.25 as answer at x equals to 3. This is your final answer. I hope that whatever I have taught you today is clear with all of you, and if not, then you can ask in the comment section wherever you are facing doubt, or on our WhatsApp channel. Only relevant doubts will be answered. And this topic is a bit lengthy, but it has come many a times in your examination, and this kind of topics needs practice. As and when you will practice it more and more times, in the exam it will be easier for you to calculate within a minute or under the minute. Or if you are still struggling with these kind of questions, then you can ask in the comment section. And this we are doing it slowly and gradually so that you can understand the concept, which is the basic necessity of the concept. And after that, whenever we'll be solving the pyqs, I will tell you how to just do it in quick steps, but for that you have to be thorough with the topic and the concept. So that's all for today's class. All the best. Thank you.
Startup Academy presents Lakshya 2027, an exclusive batch designed only for serious ISS aspirants.